Hello, I am a working mom. I have a 4-year-old son. From the outside, my life looks fine. Good husband, stable home, a healthy child. But inside, I am slowly breaking.
Take your time. What is going on?
My husband and I have not had sex. Not once. Not in 4 years. We wanted a child. So we tried one time. And I got pregnant right away. It felt like a gift. I was so happy. But after that, nothing. 0. Every night we sleep in the same bed. But we are like strangers.
I see. And you feel lonely?
Yes, very lonely. I tried to fix it. I said, let's go talk to someone together. He said, no. He said, we are fine. But we are not fine. And the hard part is, he is not a bad husband. He works hard. He's kind to our son. He does not drink. He does not hurt me. So I tell myself, don't be greedy. Be happy with what you have. But then I see other couples, laughing together, holding hands, and something in me just breaks. Am I wrong for wanting more?
No, you are not wrong. What you feel is very human. But let me ask you something. When you cry at night, what exactly hurts?
I feel like something is missing. I feel like I am not a wife, just a roommate. And I feel bad for even wanting it, like maybe I'm asking for too much.
You are not asking for too much. But here's what I want you to see. This is not just a husband problem. This is a choice problem.
A choice problem? What do you mean?
Let me explain. Your husband is not a bad person. He goes to work. He takes care of your son. He keeps the home safe. If you were just two friends living together, no one would say there is a problem. But you are not just friends. You are husband and wife, and something very important is missing. The question is not only why is he like this? The question is also, what do you want to do?
But I don't want to break my family. My son needs his father.
I hear you. But let me ask you this. Right now, are you happy? Or are you just living?
I think I am just living.
Then let's be honest. Why does a husband stop having sex? There are a few reasons. The first reason is a personal choice. Some people just decide they do not want sex for their own reasons. Some people just decide they do not want sex for their own reasons. It is not common, but it happens.
Oh, I did not know that.
The second reason is this. Some people have no desire. They do not think about sex. They do not want it. It is just not part of who they are. It is not a problem. It is just how they are.
So they just don't feel it?
Yes. Nothing. No desire at all. The third reason is also important. Sometimes a person has feelings, but not for their husband or wife. They like someone else. Not a woman, but another man. In that case, sex with a wife feels very wrong to them.
I never thought about that.
Now, I do not know your husband. Maybe it is one of these reasons. Maybe it is something else. But here's the point. You do not know either. And not knowing is the real problem. So, talk to him. Tonight if you can. Not to fight, not to blame him, just say this. I feel something is missing. Can you tell me why? That's it. Simple. Calm.
But what if he says no again? What if he will not talk?
Then that is also an answer, and you will still need to choose. You have 3 choices. Choice 1. You stay like this. No sex, but a safe and quiet life. You find peace in that. Choice 2. You try harder. You ask for help together. You work on it. Choice 3. You decide this life is not for you, and you make a change. All 3 are okay. There is no wrong answer. But you must choose one. You cannot just wait. Waiting is also a choice, and it's often the most painful one.
I never thought of it that way. I always felt like I was waiting for him to change, but he is not changing.
Exactly. And let me tell you one more thing. You have a son. He watches you every day. Not your words, your face, your energy. If you are hurting inside, he feels it. Kids always feel it. The best thing for your son is a mother who is honest with herself, a mother who makes a clear choice, a mother who moves forward. That is what he needs to see.
That really hit me. I always said I was staying for him, for my son, but maybe I was just scared.
Being scared is okay. It is normal. But do not let fear decide for you. You are still young. You have so much life ahead. Do not spend it quietly breaking inside. Talk to your husband first. Find out why. Then choose. And when you choose, own it. Do not blame him. Do not blame yourself. Just choose and move forward.
I understand now. This is not just a husband problem. It's my problem too. I've been waiting for him to fix something that only I can fix.
Yes, you already know what to do. You just needed to see it clearly.
I do. I will talk to him, not to fight, just to understand. And then I will choose, and I will take care of my own choice. Thank you. I came here looking for an answer, but you gave me something better. Now I understand what I need to do, and that's enough.
That is enough. Good luck with your talk.